Good morning everyone. This is a brand new channel here. It is the first video on this channel. Welcome to Header Down Agriculture. In this channel I will film myself farming wheat and working on farm. We work on a 3,000 acre wheat farm, along with a few head of Angus cattle, not very many though. We are going to get cutting today. Today is the first day of wheat harvest. The harvest crew has already got a lot of stuff done when I was not here yesterday. So we got all the equipment moved here, and not sure if we did our test cut yet, but yeah. We're going to head over there and hopefully start farming. Well, we made it. Looks like they started without me. They have not gone far so far. So I'm gonna wait for my dad here to get my stuff and probably hop in the bank cart. I don't know. Okay, let me run you through to what we have done. We made it to the field. We ate lunch. We got the auger hooked up to the grain bin. We did a sample cut. Everything's good to go. So yeah, we're pretty much starting harvest. And this is our biggest field on our whole wheat farming. We don't really. This field is 500 acres, and we farm around 2,000 in total. We have like lots of little odd-shaped fields. We don't really have like square circle fields. They're all kind of everywhere. It's just how the terrain is, so fields are pretty exciting. I'm in the bank cart right now. I'll probably be in the combine pretty little bit later, but yeah. But yeah, we are headed out. And fun fact, one of our farm neighbors decided he doesn't really want to cut anymore. So he farms about 1,000 acres. So now we have to, and he's gonna pay us to farm his land. So we're gonna farm an extra 1,000 acres this year. So the good thing is we got early start, so it'll be easier. Yeah, we're gonna get rolling, and yeah. Okay, I think I got the camera set how I want it to. I'm filming with a GoPro here at 10, so the video quality might not be the best, but it's still pretty decent. I don't have any fancy microphones, just the camera. A little stand that connects it to the window it's kind of a pain. It can't really turn, so I'm stuck with this angle. So hopefully we can make that work. But yeah. One thing we do that is a bit different from other harvest crews is, since our fields aren't really even, as I said, they're kind of everywhere. There's a bunch of little patches, which I guess drives lots of people crazy. But we don't really do dump on the goats that often, especially with the 9600. One, because we don't really have much space to do it usually, and two, because we live over in Oregon, and you can get up to 190 to 100 degrees here with little humidity, and that causes the 9600 to heat up pretty good. So we usually use dump when we unload. We usually use that as our time to help the engine cool down. send that into the pup, and it goes up into the auger, into the grain bin. Alright, so I am now combining in our 9600 here. It has been a minute, so might be a bit slow going at first. work on grain bin for a bit, probably the rest of the afternoon or something. My uncle's in the combine, and my dad and I are gonna trade. Yeah, we switch around, kind of switch around a lot. We usually don't switch around this much. but we're just gonna do it today just because it's a half day. But yeah, we're headed over now. On full load. So yeah, lots of fun. Well, I'm gonna be bin guy for a little bit. Yeah, we are unloading from the pup into the bin. Probably gonna run this till quitting time. It is currently 4:30. We usually call a day about 5:30 or so. So yeah, and it's empty actually, so. This is the easy job out of the farm jobs, but it's also the most miserable job because you don't have any air conditioning. The bank car is coming, so what we do is we start her up. Like so. Comes the bank car. Now we engage our PTO. Like so. Empty. Bank car is headed out. Yeah, looking good. That's how it works. Well, my uncle run the combine said my dad does not have to bring the bank cart back out, and we are gonna call it a day. It is 6 p.m. currently right now, so it's around quitting time. Yeah, so once the combines get the full load, they're gonna go park. We'll be done. Hold the gate open so the combines get through. Well, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you very much for sticking around until the end, even though the video is probably very poor. Yeah, hopefully my videos start getting better as we go along. Hopefully I can improve filming wise and editing wise, and yeah. But only way you're gonna get good at that is by doing it. Yeah, and YouTube, please don't ban me. I promise everything I'm doing is safe. But anyway though, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Over and out.